It's a fag.
And what do you think of this? There's Drufus finished set up.
I can remember being down your house.
Well, we tried and tried to get up this hill, to no avail. Been scraping it, gritting it, all sorts. Nathan's been smashing it with a hammer. A group of cars went past and they said, oh, there's a bad bit up the top, boys. They thought we were road workers or something. We got the big bags. Drufus on the mad one. He's going to sleep on the cot out in the open tonight. And we're expecting -5.
Yeah.
It's pretty thick today, mind. Big huge thing.
So she said. Right, there's my hat.
We're going to put a tarp up there.
Well, I think you can need it. Can't cow it.
Of course you can.
There she is, the Vango Hydra. So this is going to be my windproof tent. That's the plan, let's hope anyway. Right, I got a confession. This is the third Vango tent I've owned, and up until now I haven't liked Vango. I've got rid of them. But I'm liking this one so far. Seems a bit more high quality. Love the fabric. It's got metal attachments, which is a rarity. I can sit up lovely in there. Loads of room between the fly and the inner. There's 3 ventilations. And the height test is a big one for me.
You're my Chick-fil-A.
Loads of room in there.
Oh, forget the selfies.
Yeah?
And the gram.
Well,
That's what Kanye said.
and the gram.
And the gram. How's it doing in there? Like that?
Yeah, it looks right. Here's the setup. Got a cot. I think I've got a bit of overkill here, but I got a winter bag, a summer bag. It's only really thin, that is. And what do you think of this? Little pillowcase. You put your spare clothes in there at the end of the night. Other designs are available, but this is what I had handy. So I've been given a couple of beers by one of my viewers. Name is Bev. Thank you very much, Bev. I'm going to enjoy these tonight. Cheers. Look at that. It looks like it's come out of the freezer. There's Drufus finished set up. So he's on the cot. He's got a cedar summit mat, Corinthia sleeping bag, and a Wild Country bivvy. Boys are going for a little walk up the hill. Castle asked the raise. This has got to be my favourite spot. Let's go in there. Fire's getting there. I've had a new torch. The Pokelet AA. I'm a sucker for a nice torch. There it is. So it's from Ace Beam. The Pokelet. It's rechargeable. It's got a 3.7 volt battery in here, and you can stick the USB straight into the battery. It takes a AA as well, but you get more power from this.
I keep your engine there, you might have to be giving them a pull it down from up.
Here's the original inventor of this technique, Drufus. Put it to right, look.
Yeah, you got permission to use it, must.
No, for me.
See, this is like that. It's called Sapporo. Premium beer.
It's not even cold.
Can I put my hand in it?
Yeah.
Let me try it.
Unusual can, isn't it?
Yeah. Shape of a pint glass.
Well, that is a pint, isn't it?
Yeah.
These will keep it way warmer.
These are my favourite.
Like a lager thing, is it?
I have these.
Lagery beer, it's nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right.
Have you got gloves?
I like it.
Yeah.
That can's coming, so you can't try dent it on it.
No?
Bloody hell. You could chop the top off that.
Try and do a can
Make
stand
it
in
into
that.
Oh, Jesus.
Break your ankle.
I think Mum been down the house.
And do some meatballs on the fire. Gonna add some cheese, tomatoes, mashed potatoes.
You'll have someone saying
We
something
got Matt and
negative.
Jess.
You'll have someone saying something negative in the comments, trust me.
Probably.
Probably.
It's the first time I've said they're here.
YouTube channels. These people
We've just been chilling by the fire.
on these YouTube channels.
They probably will call it yobbos again.
Yeah, oh, you've seen it, Ness, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yobbos.
You've upset him, no? Do you realise you've upset him? Yobbo!
Don't want to get the ginger ninja angry.
There's the Yobbo's food.
Don't get the ginger ninja angry, man.
Burgers. We've got brioche buns or something. Yeah. Brioche bagel buns. That's weird.
Mum just bought that one, have you?
What's that on the top?
This one was full.
Stuck a bit of tar on the top, like.
Guinness sauce, that is, like.
Mine's nearly done. It's enough to feed a family of 4. Let's take you eggs.
Jakey
A
wait.
couple of mushies.
Oh yeah.
What's going on over this side of the fire?
Is there a bit of lamb?
Lamb and
New potatoes?
We've got our own sides of the fire. They're in charge of the wood for that side. We're in charge of this side.
from a butcher, so I don't know what
It
it
looks
is.
like ribeye, that's right.
Yeah.
Can't go up a little bit. You have to wash those gloves on there if you've got cold beef juice all over them.
Yeah. Some tatties and steak over here. Get some cheese on there, man.
Chef.
Oh my god, that's nuts.
You're going for meal number 2. Apparently meal number 1 was rank.
Yeah.
What we got here? Thai sweet chili.
They're not mine.
They are now.
Right here.
Oh gosh, it's cold.
Right.
Hold on.
You're salty then.
Sorry.
You're
You want
salty.
some of this? No, do you have a little bit more, Matt?
No, I don't like it. And what is it?
You're fine.
Just a fag.
You have a little.
Look at his bag.
Oh, God.
Calling it proper bang that.
Right, international can stamping pro version. You've got to do the heads and tails challenge. Flip a coin. If you get it right, you get the very stable rock. If you get it wrong, you get the wobbly rock.
Yeah. Heads.
It's heads.
That's not very good.
Heads.
It's tails.
You go through the wobbly rock.
Tails.
It's tails.
Oh, it's not very good.
Oh, I'll go tails.
He's got tails.
Oh.
Heads.
Yes.
Oh,
he's
you
gonna
went for
pick
the
that up.
Oh, that'd be funny as well. That's why I chucked it.
Tails. The wobbly one.
Don't stamp it too hard, don't snap your ankle. It's not bad, man.
Heads. Tails.
Oh, Dave, I tell you what, you've got the option, you can pick that Sapporo one.
Yeah.
And you can earn like you can earn up to 15 with that one. But there's a good chance you'll snap your ankle.
Yeah, no, thank you. That's not going at all, is it? No.
It did buckle a bit.
Oh,
It's stuck his foot. It's in his
Yes.
leg.
Yeah.
That's a good one.
I like it. That's the best so far.
Heads.
Let's be fair, we are a bunch of yobbles. Absolute bunch of yobbles.
And I love it.
Yes.
Yes, tails.
Oh, that's pretty good, man.
Oh, yeah.
That could be a 10. Flip me in.
I'll go heads.
Heads. Oop. Oh. Tails.
Tails.
Tails. That's the best, that. That's the worst.
That's your other one.
Yeah.
This is yours.
Oh, that's my one.
Yeah.
Oh, just give it the lad. Just give it the Mitchell Oil Wills.
Come on, Drufus.
Some ice come out.
I know.
Right, just get back to the tent. Looking all sparkly. Let's do the temp check. Let's have a look. Oh, dear, dear, dear. It is -3. Yeah, -3. The brew is on. That's what's for breakfast. I bet everything else. Hang on. Philly cheese for breakfast? Nah, I don't think so.
Murmuring or?
Oh.
How about that for a fit for the cot? It's like it was made for it. If ever there was luxury campers, it's these two here.
Gonna have me well off me.
That's the sleeping mats. Light, it's a bit big though.
That's not our one, is it?
Another one coming to an end. Shout out to my members. Catch you next week when there'll be 4 of us in hot tents.